Stevens' new motor. Sounds good, doesn't it? You'll all recognize that. There she is, all shiny and new. Thing sounds great, buddy.
It's a little bit off. It's not very bad. I just need to turn it a little bit. I'll do it.
How many miles have you put on it so far?
It's got about 29.
She is just brand new.
Yeah. My speedometer cable's giving me problems. It was bouncing and then it stopped. I don't know if it's not hooked up right in the transmission or if it's braking or what's going on. So my miles, they quit rolling coming here.
Is that right?
So I'm gonna have to go on MapQuest and MapQuest exactly how many miles it is from here to there. But when I left the house, it was 21 miles. And I had the transmission rebuilt on it too. So it's all fresh.
Yeah. It looks all fresh too.
Yeah.